Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video we are going to know how we can edit tags. In previous video, I have shown you that how you can add tags. To edit tag, click on Posts. Then click on Tags. After that you will get your all tags, which you have created before. So in previous video, I was created this tag. So now I am going to edit this tag. When you move the cursor hovers on the tags, then a few options get displayed below the tag name. There are two ways to edit the tags. First is edit option. And second is quick edit. For now let's click on edit. You can edit any of the required field. Once your editing is finished, then click on Update button. Now let's go back. Click on Quick Edit option. So here you can only edit the name and slug of the tags. So this is the difference between the edit and quick edit option. So this is how you can edit tags in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And goodbye.